guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you my version of a onion salad. So for this recipe you will need half a pepper or bell pepper or capsicum, whichever one you call it, cut into thin slices, a few coriander leaves, half a lime, pinch of salt, spring onion, we're only going to be using the green bit until here, cut into thin pieces, half a red onion, half a white onion, quarter of a carrot cut into ribbons or peeled. I just used a peeler to make ribbons. The way we're going to be slicing these is going to be this side, so they're nice and thin. So as you can see, the onion has got lines going this way. We're going to be cutting them this side, and that way we'll get a really nice look. So grab a bowl and let's get started. So when you're chopping your onion, you're going to get rid of the middle bits. So you don't want to put these inside your salad. Number one, they don't look nice and they don't taste all that great either. So from here, you're just going to remove the middle bit like I have, and this bit over here, you're going to get rid of that too. You need to cut your onions quite thin, so around like this. And if you can't cut them as thin as that, then try your best to cut them as thin as you possibly can. So even around this size, you can just cut them around this size, but the only thing is they will taste a little bit stronger. I've gone and cut my onion into thin slices. I'm now going to soak them in cold water for around 15 minutes to get rid of the strong taste. The onion soak for around 15 minutes, if you can, 15-20 minutes, however long possible, and this way it gets rid of the strong taste and it gives a milder taste in the salad. So I've just drained my onions. Now I'm just going to dry them with a paper towel, and then we're going to assemble everything in a little while. So to this we're going to add in our carrots that we've ribboned, then our peppers. We're just going to give it a good mix. And then our spring onions, a few coriander leaves, our salt, and half a lime. Here is my version of an onion salad. You can enjoy this by itself, or you can serve it with a curry. I've got another video on how to make a simple but tasty chicken curry. You can go ahead and watch that video. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. See you next time.